Hey everybody, so let me show you my current situation. Look at that. So we've got some snow falling. It started, I guess, about 20 minutes ago. And the thing about it is, y'all, the sun was out and shining so brightly this morning, and boom, snow. And then yesterday it was pretty warm. I didn't need a jacket or anything, and now all of a sudden I need a jacket, need an umbrella because this is really wet snow. And I just cannot believe it. That is just so funny to me. But anyway, there you have it. Okay, everybody, it is Saturday morning, or mid-morning, I guess. It's around 10 something in the morning, and I know this doesn't look its best, but this is the Tuscan chicken that I made yesterday. I'm having the rest of it for breakfast, which was one chicken breast. Y'all, this was so good, and it's even better today. If you guys have not tried this recipe, I'm putting it up on my website today, so be sure to go check it out at sincerelylegenia.com. This chicken is so good, and like I said, it's even better the second day. I did cut it up, that's why it looks like this, but this is what I'm having for my breakfast / lunch or brunch. Just leave it at brunch. And it is so good. So this is my first meal of the day. And yeah, I'm going to be doing a little bit of vlogging today. So I'll bring you guys along with me so that you can see how I'm spending this beautiful and snowy Saturday. All right, everyone, so I've had my breakfast, and so now I'm getting ready to take my sea moss. I take this every day, about a little more than a tablespoon. Actually, I end up taking probably about 2 tablespoons of sea moss, and this is the sea moss gel. Sea moss has so many amazing health benefits. This one right here has elderberries in it, along with, for flavor, some cinnamon and cloves. But I take this on a daily basis, and it really just has no taste. I mean, you can taste the elderberry in there, so it's really not bad. I've really come to quite enjoy it. But I take this every day. I'll list information about the health benefits of elderberry in the description box below, but I do highly recommend it. It gives me so much energy, and it is a bit of an appetite suppressant as well. So yeah, that's the elderberry juice that I take. And I'm also finishing up this bottle of water that I started drinking with my breakfast, with my Tuscan chicken. So I'm gonna finish this up, make sure I at least get a good start to my day with my water drinking. So I'm gonna drink all of this. Right after I finished eating my breakfast, I did go ahead and wash these beautiful basil leaves that I got from Trader Joe's. Guys, aren't those pretty? I'm gonna make some fresh basil pesto today because I wanna do some vegetable wraps, and I love basil pesto with my vegetable wraps. So I am going to let's sit these out to dry. I washed them really well. I'm gonna set them out to dry. Y'all, they smell so good. So I'll be making that today, and I'll show that to you in today's video as well. But right now I'm gonna finish this water, and then I'm gonna head upstairs and check my ketones. All right, everybody, so I have gotten a little hungry. I have been busy doing some work on my website, and it's also hair wash day. So right now my hair is conditioning, and so I got a little bit hungry. So before I get under the dryer, I am going to make me this wrap. And so I've got myself the Parmesan cheese wrap. I've got myself a piece of romaine lettuce, 4 slices of the turkey, not turkey bacon, just turkey, 4 slices of turkey, tomato, and the last piece of bacon that I had in there. And I'm just gonna put me a drizzle, just a little drizzle, a drizzle of the Wingstop ranch, which is, again, delicious, no carbs. And this is going to be my lunch. And yeah, this is going to be lunch. And if I did the calculations correctly, this is a total of 3 net carbs. So a total of 3 net carbs for this lunch. I've never had this type of wrap with the Parmesan cheese, but I'm sure it's good because I usually have the mozzarella, but I don't have mozzarella, I have the Parmesan, and I'm sure it's good. And actually the Parmesan wrap holds up a lot better than the Parmesan cheese, than the mozzarella one. But anyway, I'll let you guys know how this was when I get back. But right now I'm going to sit under the dryer and enjoy my lunch while doing so. All right, I'll be back with you guys a little bit later. Okay, so the wrap, delicious. I knew it would be delicious. So I'm going to finish that up. But I just wanted you guys to know I'm also drinking my water. I drank the first full bottle, and I've had sips in between. I have this other bottle here that I'm going to finish up while eating my wrap, but I will finish this today. My goal is to drink at least 3 to 4 more full bottles of water today. All right, guys, so this is going to be my dinner today. I've just got a few pieces of shrimp, and I seasoned it with some garlic powder, onion powder, and because I've had it for a minute and I wanted to try it out, so I tried this seafood seasoning from Red Lobster. It's okay. I should have just used my own, to be honest with you, but that is what I used. Again, it tastes okay. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to have this shrimp, and I'm going to pair it up with a salad, and I'll be back in a little bit to show you guys what that looks like. Just want to show you guys Angelina's dinner. I made her the same thing, but I made her some Alfredo with it, some delicious Alfredo sauce. Angelina, how is it?
It's delicious. It's great. I'm enjoying it.
Yeah, she's weird, though. She does not like her sauce on her shrimp Alfredo. Isn't that weird? All right, everybody, so here is my dinner. I've got a nice little garden salad, not much on it, just simply lettuce, tomato, a little bit of cheese, and some ranch dressing. Oh, I may put some crispy onions on there. Yeah, I'm gonna put some of those on there. And then, of course, my sauteed shrimp. I sauteed it with some onions, garlic, a little bit of butter and olive oil, and put that seasoning on there. So this is gonna be dinner, and also my husband did stop and get me my triple shot of espresso, and I added my Premier protein in there. So I'm gonna have that and get me a couple more bottles of water today. But this will be dinner. Y'all, I made this low carb breakfast smoothie bowl. This is what I'm having for breakfast. This is so good. I have some blueberries and strawberries in here, along with some unflavored protein powder and almond milk, unsweetened vanilla almond milk. I have me some toasted coconut, some keto granola, and then for a little bit of sweetness, I put me some a few Lily's baking chips over on the side. You guys, this is so good. I really forgot that I tasted it, and I forgot that I was supposed to be filming. I almost ate it all, but so good. I definitely recommend you guys give it a try. I'm going to be doing a little mini TikTok short on how I made this, so just stay tuned for that. So good. This is breakfast, and I'm fixing to finish. So for dinner on Sunday, I had the roasted vegetable cheese wraps that I love oh so much. I've actually got a video on these wraps where I made these, and I show you step by step in detail how I make these wraps, all the way down to the basil pesto. That'll be in the description box below, that link. So the first thing I'm doing is adding basil pesto down the middle of the mozzarella cheese wrap. And then I add lettuce, tomato, and then roasted vegetables, which consist of zucchini, red and green bell pepper, onions, and garlic. Add whatever vegetables that you like to roast. I'm telling you, it's going to be delicious. Put those roasted vegetables on there, roll it up, guys, and I'm telling you, fantastic. This meal is so wonderful and so fresh. You guys have got to try it if you haven't already. All right, everybody, thanks so much for joining me for another video right here on Sincerely Legenia. It is fun sharing with you what I eat in a day, and I hope you guys are enjoying these videos. If so, let me know in the comments below. Stay tuned for my upcoming weekend prep video. Have a blessed and prosperous week, guys. Until next time, bye-bye.